Hello folks, and welcome back once more to my channel, The Scottish Model Railway Guy. And this is part 2 of what we had looked at before. What am I trying to achieve? If you've just stumbled across this video, it is going to be part 2 of a 2-part series, and it's looking at putting lights into this beautiful Metcalfe building on my generally Hornby layout. So that is the objective today. If you've missed the first part, it's going to be appearing just about here. You can jump back to that to understand the electronics if you like, or if you stick with this video, you're going to find out how I get this into there, which really is going to involve drilling a hole through the bottom of this. This can lift out. Got a wee drunk guy in the pavement, he's passed out. So I'm going to drill through there and then put a hole up the bottom of this and in through the window. So that is a plan, and that will sort of complete this area for lights. And yeah, stick with me. It shouldn't take too long to do this. It is literally hole, feed it through, and that's us. So here we go, hang on. Okay, so what you missed in that tiny half-second gap there was I actually noticed, if you rewind, you'll see that these two lights were off. How did that happen? Well, it turns out, yesterday, when I was filming part 1, I touched one of these LEDs off the track while it was still powered up. So before I do anything, top tip, power stuff off, because it turns out when I touched it off the track, the LED blew. It's only a wee 3-volt LED. There's going to be 12 to 14 volts going through the track. However, I think it also took out these lights, so I had to just replace them. Now there is a video for that. If you've never seen it, it's coming up here, how to actually fit those lights. But I had to go through the whole thing again. So what I'm going to do, like I said, I'm going to drill some holes right through there. I'm going to put some holes up through underneath each one of these two and feed the wires up the way. So the first thing I need to do is sort of make a marking of where I want that to be. So I'm saying probably in the region of there. I'm just putting a wee dot there. I'll put an X marks the spot, and one X marks the spot there. Take that out the way. And now, I've been here before. If people don't know how to drill holes, there's plenty of YouTube videos how to do it, but I'm going down through there, underneath my layout, and then effectively if you go back to part 1, you'll see how I got the wires prepped, ready to come up through anyway. So hang on, I'm going to go to hyperlapse for this one, and it shouldn't take too long, 10 to 15 seconds on hyperlapse, so hang on now. What do you think, folks? I like that. It's a nice effect as a nighttime train. Really, really cool. I think it adds something totally different to the layout to have it lit up like that. Wasn't easy because I'm really, really tight for space up here in my loft, but in reality, this turned out really, really well. So little 3-volt lights, one in there, and I've repaired these two guys, and my wee letterbox fell over, but I'll put a repair into that one. So yeah, I like it. I think that's really came together well. So I'm just going to zoom in a fraction so you can get a bit of closer effect on that and what it does to the surrounding area. Sort of lighten up the signal box, lighten up the station platform. Yeah, that is kind of just what I was looking for this. So yep, that's us for now. If you can hear Christmas music in the background, that's because there is. It isn't me. It is somebody else. There's a thing going on outside the house just now. So yeah, thank you very much and see you next time. I hope you really liked that as much as I did. Thank you.